This is a cold bowl that is being kept in the freezer for a while. This is my whipped cream powder. I'm using Vizyon for my whipped cream powder. Then to make a stable whipped cream, you're going to use very cold water, and I need 90 grams of this. I'm going to pour this on my scale. Now it's 90 grams and I have 150 grams here. This is my bowl. It has been kept in the freezer for a while, and also my balloon whisk has been kept in the freezer for a while. Now I'm going to pour the whipped cream into the bowl. And I'm going to add the water now. This will go straight into the mixer and I'm going to whip it. Now I'm going to start off on a low speed. This is because the whipped cream is in powder form and I don't want it splashing everywhere. So I'm going to start on low speed. Then I can now, after it has incorporated, I can now increase the speed to the highest speed. You done, sir? Yes. Now I want to scrape off the edges because of the powder that spilled over to the sides. The whipped cream powder was spilled over to the side, so as to incorporate everything properly. I'm only making this small batch to show you how whipped cream, the Vizyon whipped cream, is being made and how fast, easy and reliable it is. As you can see, the consistency of the whipped cream is very thick. It takes time before it falls off. I still need to whip to incorporate everything. When you know you have a very stable whipped cream is when you do this and it doesn't fall off. As you can see, normally this should fall off, the normal whipped cream, you know, but it's not falling off. So this is how to make a very stable whipped cream with your Vizyon whipped cream. Remember, the recipe is 250 gram Vizyon powder to 150 gram water. I'll come again. 250 gram Vizyon powder to 150 gram water. So this is the end of the video. You can try it out. You can recreate this mixture. You can color it. You can use it for your filling. You can use it to cover a cake comfortably with no problem. To store this, you can keep it in the refrigerator and use it when you are ready to work with it. You can use it the next day. You can use it the next day. You can use it for your filling. You can use it for covering. This is for the purpose of this training. So I had to make a small batch. This is it. Very white, very pale. I don't add flavor because it already has flavor in it. it's very delicious, yummy. It tastes like ice cream. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and recreate this recipe and tag me. You can try this recipe and also tag me too, and you can be innovative and recreate this recipe. And I'll thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.